Creating engaging videos on YouTube is key to building a successful channel. Here are some tips to help you create videos that your viewers will love. Tip 1. Start with a hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial for capturing your viewers' attention. Start with a hook that piques their interest and makes them want to keep watching. This can be a question, a shocking statement, or a teaser of what's to come. Tip 2. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so it's important to keep your videos short and to the point. Try to keep your videos under 10 minutes if possible, and focus on delivering your message efficiently. Tip 3. Use visuals and graphics. Visuals and graphics can help to break up the monotony of talking heads and keep your viewers engaged. Use B-roll footage, animations, and graphics to illustrate your points and keep your viewers interested. Tip 4. Add music and sound effects. Music and sound effects can add another dimension to your videos and help to create a mood or tone. Choose music that fits the theme of your video, and use sound effects sparingly to add emphasis where necessary. Tip 5. Be authentic and relatable. Viewers want to connect with real people, so it's important to be authentic and relatable in your videos. Share your personal experiences and opinions and show your personality. This will help to build a connection with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Tip 6. Encourage interaction and feedback. Finally, encourage your viewers to interact with your videos by asking questions, creating polls, and responding to comments. This will help to build a community around your channel and keep your viewers engaged. By following these tips, you can create engaging videos that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Remember to experiment with different techniques and find what works best for your niche and audience. Good luck!